Hi guys, this is Natasha Denona. Today I have invited Sophia. I want to introduce you, Sophia, and also you guys, the Glam Palette. The main concept is about showing you how easy it is to create a look. The names underneath each eyeshadow explains the positioning, the placement on the eyelid. We're gonna see how fun it is to use this palette so you don't have to be a professional. What are you doing? I mean, professionally.
I actually work in marketing, so don't really apply.
You're not a makeup artist or something?
No, not at all,
Okay.
but definitely love makeup.
Okay, and you like to wear makeup?
Yes, all the time.
Okay, what do you do usually?
Well, it depends if it's like for the day or at night, but I think with this one, I kind of want to do with like a night look, maybe a little smoky.
Okay, ooh. Okay,
Yeah, you think so?
The expectations are super high now, so, okay, so let's start.
Okay.
Okay, what shades would you like in general use now?
I think like this quad right here is kind of grabbing my attention.
Yes. Okay, so let's go
Makes
for it.
sense.
Let's start.
Okay.
So Sophia picked the blend shade and she's blending it into the crease, connecting it with the outer third of the lid. Do you think you should blend a little bit more? Do you feel like it?
Probably like up here, it's a little harsh, like.
You can either pick the same shade, just less product, or you can also choose another shade that is slightly lighter to blend it out.
I think I would pick this one because it says transition, but this one actually seems like it goes more. It's also called Crease, so it feels like it kind of works.
Yes, but I think your first choice is better because you definitely want only to diffuse and soften, so I would pick the transition. Just use very soft feather light motions because you want to diffuse. You want to kind of erase the pigment that is underneath. Yes. Okay, what would be the next step then?
I think I would want to add like a darker color, maybe some definition on like the outside.
Okay.
I think for that, I would choose outer eyelid since I'm going to place it on the outer part.
Good choice. And you're buffing this, right? Okay. And you can always, if you feel you picked up too much product, you can always blend it out with another lighter shade.
Yeah, I think it definitely needs a bit of blending, but I'm gonna go back to the other brush.
The blending brush, yes.
So if I want to just blend this part out right here.
Yes.
Right, matte, so a little less product.
You know, I think you should use smaller motions. You don't have to spread so much. You can focus only where you want to blend. So I would pick up the same shade, the crease shade, and then, sorry, look at yourself so you will understand what I'm doing. Okay, so just kind of only wipe this and soften this where you want to soften it. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Do you know how to pick up the product with your finger? Just want everybody to see how you do that.
I mean, I think I do, but you'll tell me if I do.
Okay, so let's try and then we'll see. Oh, you're rubbing. Yeah, that's actually great.
Yeah?
Okay, yes.
Perfect.
Okay. We have 2 more steps to go. We have the inner corner and we have the brow bone.
So I'm kind of liking brow bone. Center eyelid though right here is also a good option.
Yes.
Which one would you do for the inner corner?
What you said, exactly what you said.
This one?
Brow bone for the brow bone and this and the center. Oh, the center eyelid for the inner corner, yeah.
So I'll do center eyelid first, just for the inner corner.
And the brow bone is prominent, so you need like a softer brush for this.
So when you do the brow bone, it's just kind of right up there?
That's the classic way. I don't like that personally so much. I like to focus more on the center brow bone. This is more kind of the modern type of highlighting the brow bone, because if you go this way, it reminds me like, I don't want to say.
Okay, we'll try that.
My aunts from the 70s that was like too metallic right underneath the brow bone. It's a little bit, no.
Got you.
It's more for fashion. So this is it. We're after mascara. What do you think about your look?
I think it looks good.
Yeah, it's stunning. So thank you so much for watching. And the Glam Palette is linked down in the description. And see you next time. Bye.